Come, hear a story of the souls. Searching for each other. Time, distance, that is no longer a matter for us. For the past 3 years, thank you.